just a quick video, a little bit of an update on what we're working on right now. We're at Bunnings Warehouse. We're getting some sheets, and I had the toolbox in the back. We've got a new toolbox for Kurt's ute, and I'm going to show you the ute because we've got some repairs done on it. So let me flip the camera, say what up to the boys. Toolbox for the Hilux. Open her up, Kurt. Freaking nice. I had one of these on my original Hilux when I first started doing videos. You'll see it. It's from the same place, Robbo's Toolboxes in Capalaba. That is going on the left side of this truck. And if you can remember this, we got some work done here from Tony Baloney. We got the lights cleaned up there. We've got the old plumbing stickers moved off. And this is where we're going to be putting the box. Just going to put some blobs of silicone. The boys are bringing it over now. And Kurt, I don't want to mention it, he had a little accident. He had toolboxes pretty high and he couldn't see. This one you can see over. So let's blob it. Move it off. We can just blob it for now.
Okay.
Oh yeah, we got it screwing away, eh? All right. Gonna have to get a grinder for that. Hey. What? Oh, no, step. Sorry. Oh, you're nice. Check. Oh, hang on a sec. So we blobbed it on. I think I just missed a lot of recording, guys.
Thread hanging up.
Oh, another one.
You got the box? I got the box.
Yep.
Where do you want to go? 50? Looks like we've got to come back in. You want to miss these, the extrusion ones, come back out. Then can I try the gate? Try the gate.
Yep, it's good.
That's good.
Beautiful.
Now we just let that sit for a few
Alright.
hours and we'll come back to it.
So that's it. That is the update of the Hilux. Looking fresh. We're going to make sure Kurt doesn't hit anything.
Yeah.
There's no scratches on it. And look how nice. These are new. These are actual new. Those ones.
Needs globes.
Hey?
Needs globes.
What do you mean?
I think one of them's blown.
The lights don't work?
I think one of the headies are blown and parked.
I'll turn them on. God damn it. Alright, anyway, that's it. A little bit of a Hilux update. I just want to show you guys how we carry our stuff. This is a full load. There's actually no rubbish in here, which is good. We got everything in here, and this is how we carry our sheets. We slide them in the back. We can actually fit 3 meters in the back here. And to stop them from falling, we can fit 3.6 meter lengths of corners, and we just clamp it here so it doesn't tip. We just bought a new ladder, and this is it. I'll show you around the back. That's that.